From tsunamis to tech titans, history's funniest twists. Welcome to Today in History. On July 26, we write earthquakes in ancient Greece, military coups, iconic cartoon debuts, spacewalk triumphs, and tropical storm tragedies, all in a single date. If you love jaw-dropping true tales with a humorous twist, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell. These 20 time travel gems will entertain, enlighten, and leave you hungry for more. Strap in for a wild ride through history. Number 20. On July 26, 657 BC, Rhodes experienced a massive tsunami triggered by an earthquake, flooding coastal settlements. This ancient disaster reshaped the coastline and highlighted the region's geological unpredictability. Number 19. On July 26, 1309, the Teutonic Knights captured Gdańsk, marking a major expansion of their crusading power into Prussian territories and forever altering Baltic geopolitics. Number 18. On July 26, 1533, Pope Clement the Seventh officially annulled Henry VIII's marriage to Catherine of Aragon, paving the way for England's break with Rome and the dramatic rise of Anglicanism. Number 17. On July 26, 1687, Halley's Comet passed Earth at a distance of 0.16 AU. Ancient skywatchers were awestruck, and scientists centuries later used its return to measure orbital mechanics. Number 16. On July 26, 1775, the Continental Congress created the U.S. Department of Foreign Affairs, predecessor of the State Department, marking America's first formal diplomatic apparatus in the Revolutionary era. Number 15. On July 26, 1788, New York became the 11th state to ratify the U.S. Constitution, helping achieve the 9-state threshold for ratification and launching the United States under its new government. Number 14. On July 26, 1848, Liberia declared its independence from the American Colonization Society. It became Africa's first republic to be founded by formerly enslaved people returning from America. Number 13. On July 26, 1892, Louis Pasteur successfully administered his rabies vaccine to a sergeant bitten by a rabid dog, marking one of the first large-scale uses of his groundbreaking treatment on humans. Number 12. On July 26, 1908, British passenger ship Monarch collided with another vessel in the Bay of Fundy. Thankfully, all 65 aboard were rescued despite rough seas and rapidly sinking conditions. Number 11. On July 26, 1940, President Franklin D. Roosevelt signed the Selective Training and Service Act, establishing the first peacetime draft in U.S. history and dramatically expanding America's armed forces. Number 10. On July 26, 1945, during the Potsdam Conference, Allied leaders issued the Potsdam Declaration, demanding Japan's immediate surrender, one of the final ultimatums before the atomic bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Number 9. On July 26, 1953, Fidel Castro launched his attack on the Moncada barracks in Cuba. Though the mission failed, it marked the start of Cuban revolutionary momentum and Castro's political rise. Number 8. On July 26, 1972, the cinematic classic The Godfather premiered in New York. This mafia masterpiece went on to redefine filmmaking and earn its place in global pop culture. Number 7. On July 26, 1978, Zakat al-Fitr was first declared as a mandatory charity tax in Egypt, reaffirming religious duty and establishing fiscal religious obligations during Ramadan that continue today. Number 6. On July 26, 1984, Microsoft announced the first version of Windows at Comdex. This operating system debut changed personal computing forever and set a foundation for modern PC interfaces. Number 5. On July 26, 1986, the Toronto Blue Jays won their first Major League Baseball game in their new stadium, launching a beloved franchise deep into the hearts of Canadian sports fans. Number 4. On July 26, 1990, Palestinians protested in Gaza against Israeli occupation. These demonstrations sparked the first intifada, reshaping politics and conflict in the Middle East for years to come. Number 3. On July 26, 1994, Dolly the sheep became the first mammal clone from an adult cell. This scientific breakthrough reshaped biotechnology debates and raised ethical questions worldwide. Number 2. On July 26, 2005, the International Astronomical Union officially defined the term planet, reclassifying Pluto as a dwarf planet, sending shock waves through classrooms and sparking heated cosmic debate. Number 1. On July 26, 2019, SpaceX achieved its first successful test flight of the Starhopper prototype. This milestone marked a leap in reusable rocket development and ushered in a new era of private spaceflight. Wild. July 26 is a buffet of tsunamis, revolutions, rabies breakthroughs, and Starhopper rockets. If that left your mind buzzing, tap subscribe, ring the bell, and spread the excitement, because tomorrow's episode, July 27, serves up even more thrills, from paleontologist expeditions and royal weddings to economic booms and ocean explorers. You won't want to miss this next time travel adventure. Join our history-loving crew and let's keep uncovering the past together.